When you're evaluating your search results, one important piece of information to look for is the journal title. Scholarly articles aren't published in popular sources like newsletters. They're published in scholarly journals, so be sure to check the name of the journal your article was published in. So for example, in this screenshot, the source is the same as the journal name. It's the Journal of Wound Care. Another quick clue to look at is the article length. Scholarly articles tend to be over 5 pages in length, so if you're looking at something that's only a couple of pages long, then it's a good bet that it's not a scholarly article. The page length should be visible in the results right at the end of the brief citation. In this screenshot, I've highlighted it in yellow. If you find an article that looks promising, the next thing to do is to read the abstract. Most scholarly journal articles will list specific pieces of information in the abstract, such as the question or problem being studied, the population in the study, or the test or intervention used. If you find this information, that's a very good sign that the citation you're looking at is for a research article that you can use in your project. If you use an article in your research project, you'll need to cite it. CINAHL will help you with that because it provides a citation to each article in several different formats, for example, APA. To find the citation, make sure that you're looking at the detailed record. Click on the article title if you're not there. Look at the list of icons located under the tools, and on the right-hand side of the screen, click on the Cite icon. Find the citation style that you need, and then copy and paste the citation into your paper. Be careful. Sometimes CINAHL gets the format of the citation wrong, so you still need to double check it and make sure that it's correct before you submit your work. Once you find an article that you would like to read, it's time to get the full text. Basically, there's 2 ways to do this. There's PDF files. A small percentage of records in CINAHL already have the full text attached to them. Here's how you can tell. Just look for the PDF icon and you see here. Click on this icon and the PDF should open right up. Full text finder. Most of the time you will not see the PDF icon. You will see the full text finder button as you see here. Click on this button and CINAHL will try to find the full text article in our eJournal collection. If the full text is available, it should open up automatically. If it isn't available, you'll get a message suggesting that you order the article through Interlibrary Loan. It doesn't matter what article that you choose, as long as you will allow for enough time, we can probably get the article for you. I hope that this guide was a helpful introduction into how to search CINAHL. There are many more tools and features available that were not covered, so please feel free to experiment when searching CINAHL. As you do your research, please remember that there is no such thing as a single perfect search for any topic. It's a process that requires a lot of experimentation. If you'd like some help at any point, please ask a librarian or contact me directly. That's why we're here.